This is the video guide dedicated to help you remove the online scam by the site Segilner.xyz. Segilner.xyz is a dangerous site attacking Google Chrome and many other browsers. Segilner.xyz tries to make people really scared regarding the condition of their computers in order to make them download and install some potentially unwanted applications. If you see pop-ups by Segilner.xyz, you need to disregard whatever they tell you because these pop-ups are fake and obviously deceptive. So just leave this deceptive page. I recommend you to additionally investigate the computer with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the software, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching the system. Combo Cleaner antivirus will help you to effectively identify and then eliminate other threats which might still possibly remain on the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode. So only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.